Do it, do it, do it. Hey, you an infant dude?
Yeah, he's pro too.
Damn, fucking shit.
Everyone here is pro, except for you.
Not even. Shit. From Epi. Epi Videos. And I'm on it. Dude, film me, look. Film his ass. Oh, another one, look, look. Another pro. Shred it, shred it, shred it. Oh! Oh! Quit filming me, bitch. Oh, almost ran it. Did you get that clean? Yeah, you saw that shit? Funny tricks? What is that? It's not even a trick. Quit filming me! Ah! How long did that take? Whole hour?